Hello students, today we are going to enjoy one story that is very interesting story. Do you want to enjoy a story? Yes. Let us see what is the story. The title of the story is The Holy Panchayat. What is the meaning of the Holy Panchayat? See beta, the holy. Holy means pure, true. And what is a Panchayat? Panchayat is a local body at the village level. Okay, whatever problem is there in the village, they solve that problem. Like we all are having panchayat in our village. What is the meaning of panchayat? Panchayat means there is one sarpanch and members we are having in the village. You have in your village? Yes, all are having in their village. So beta, this is very interesting story which today we are going to do. So first of all, before starting this story, I want to ask some questions from you. Like, what is the role of the panchayat at village level? And what is the role of the high court at state level? And what is the role of the Supreme Court at center level? So you have to write in the comment box. Okay beta, let us start the story. There are two main characters in the story. What are their names of the characters? One is Yuman and one is Algu. Which two characters are there beta? One is Yuman, one is Algu. Now they both are very good friends from their childhood. They played together, they lived together. So they are very fast friends to each other. Whenever Algu went somewhere, then he gave full responsibility to Yuman. When Yuman went somewhere, then he gave full responsibility to Algu. It means they are very best friends. They believe on each other. So now beta, Yuman had an old aunt. Who had an old aunt? Yuman had an old aunt. Aunt is very old, but she had property on her name. So, Yuman always thinks that this property should be mine. Many times, Yuman told aunt that you should transfer your property on my name. But aunt always says, no, why I will transfer? I will not transfer now this property to you. So, when Yuman told aunt many times, then one day aunt decided, okay, I will transfer my property to you. So, she has given her property to Yuman. Now, what happened? Till the time aunt didn't give her property to Yuman. Yuman was very kind. He was taking care of aunt. But at the end, when he took property from aunt, then he changed. Now he started abusing to aunt. He is not giving proper food to aunt because now he thinks that the property is mine. Why I will take care of aunt? So aunt was very upset. She was not having any relation to whom he will share her problems. It means beta, she was very sad. So always she thinks कि what should I do? One day he decided कि let me go to panchayat. But she threatened from the bird of the panchayat because she thinks that कि I don't know what panchayat will say. Is panchayat will take my side or no? So again she told Yuman, you should give me some money, otherwise I will go to panchayat. Now, but Yuman said no, I have no objection. You can go to panchayat. So now beta, aunt is helpless. So one day she went to panchayat. Who was the head of the panchayat? Ramdan Mishra. Who was the head of the panchayat? Ramdan Mishra. And who is the head of your village? Sarpanch. Same beta. He was also a sarpanch of the village. That's why we called him the head of the panchayat. Now, when aunt has told her full matter to the Ramdan Mishra, he said to aunt, okay, we will listen your matter in the panchayat. So whenever he has given one date to aunt, on this date you have to come. Now beta, the day has come when Panchayat was there. Now they all were there under the tree. Panchayat were there. Panchayat means Sarpanch was there, members were there, and other villagers were also there. Human and aunt also came there. So now human has told full matter to the Panchayat. Aunt has told full matter to the Panchayat. Now beta Ramdar Mishra said to human कि you should choose one member who will take the decision, but human said कि no, let aunt will choose. I have no objection, whatever aunt will choose I will be happy with that. So beta aunt has chosen to Algu. Now you know who is Algu. Algu was best friend of human. Algu was best friend of human. Now they both were happy. Human was happy because he was thinking कि Algu will take my side. But Algu was confused. Why he was confused? Because human was his friend. But he has listened aunt's problem also. So he was confused कि to whom I should take, to whose I should take side. Then beta, but Algu was sitting on the place of Panchayat. It means he came to know about his duty. Now he knew about his responsibilities. What should I do? So Algu has told to human you should pay monthly money to aunt so that she can fulfill her deeds. Now human was very upset. Do you know why human was upset? Because human thinks कि Algu will take my side, but Algu has taken aunt's side. So that's why human was very upset. Now when Algu has told to human that you will give, human has to listen because in front of all members Algu said this कि you have to give him money. Okay beta, now after Algu's decision, Juman and Algu were not good friends. Now their friendship has broken. It means now they are having misunderstanding with each other. They are blaming on each other. So now beta, in part 2 there will be twist in the story. Do you want to listen? Yes. Now in part 2, Algu has purchased 2 oxen. Algu has purchased 2 oxen. After 1 month of this panchayat, what has happened? Algu's 1 ox has died. Algu's 1 ox has died. Now beta, but Algu thought कि human had given her some poisoning thing to my ox, that's why my ox has died. On the other hand, what human is saying, human told to his friends that time Algu has not given a right decision, he is not given a correct judgment, that's why his cow has died. It means now they both are blaming on each other. They both are abusing to each other. They are not having belief on each other. So beta, now when Algu's 1 ox has died, now 1 is left. So he thought that okay, let me sell my another ox. Now he was finding the person to whom I should sell. One day he met to Sanju. He was one trader. So he has taken his ox which was left. It means Algu has sold that ox to the Sanju, to whom he has sold to Sanju. Now when Sanju has taken that ox, so he was taking too much work from that ox. Heavy load he was uploading on that. When he goes to market, then many heavy things he upload on the cart. So ox was very big. Even he was not taking proper care of his feed. He was not giving him a feed on proper time. So ox was very weak. So beta, what happened one day when he was going to market, there were many things in the cart. On the halfway, the ox fell down because he was very big. When ox fell down, he was unable to stand up. He tried to let it be stand up, but he didn't stand up. So what happened? He was having many things, so he can't go to the home also like this, because how he will leave these all things on the way. So beta, full night he spent there, and ox was unable to stand up. So what happened at night when he was having many things? Thieves came there and they have taken his all things. Again he was very upset. Now when next morning he went to home, he told full story to his wife कि what happened to me last night. When his wife has listened full story, then she told Sanju कि that ox was not good, which we have taken from Algu. It means now they both started blaming to Algu. And beta, one more problem was there. Still they didn't give money to Algu because they have taken ox from Algu. But that time they told Algu कि later we will give you money. It means Algu didn't get money of that ox. When Algu came to Sanju कि give me money, then he told कि I will not give money to you because your ox is not well, he is very big. But Algu told कि when you have taken that ox from me, that time that ox was very well, but now he is weak, then it is because of you, because you were not taking care of that ox. So they both started fighting with each other. When they started fighting with each other, then they decided कि now to whom we should share our problem. So now they thought कि okay, let us go to panchayat. Now beta, you know what is a panchayat? Even in our village, if we will fight with each other, then where we go? We also go to panchayat, and panchayat takes a decision कि who is right, who is wrong. Same they did now. Now they went to panchayat. They went to panchayat. हाँ जी बेटा, when they Algu has told full story to panchayat. Sanju has told full story to panchayat. Panchayat means they both first met to Ramdan Misra. Who was Ramdan Misra? In first part we did that he was Sarpanch of the village. He was Sarpanch of the village. Then they both told their matters to the Sarpanch. Then Sarpanch said कि okay, tomorrow we all will together. So beta, very next day they all together under one tree. When Algu has told his matter and Sanju has told his matter, then Sarpanch told कि okay, now you should choose one member who will take decision against your matter. So they told Algu कि you should choose. Algu said no, I will not choose. Let Sanju will choose. I have no objection to whom he will choose. Now beta, to whom he has chosen? He has chosen to Yuman. Do you know Yuman? Who was Yuman? Yuman was Argu's friend. But now he was not his good friend. Why? We have done this in part 1 because they don't believe on each other. It means Sanju thought now कि he will take my side. Now he is not a friend of Algu. It means he will take my side. He will take the decision in my side. That's why he has chosen Yuman. So now beta, when Yuman was there, so Yuman knew his responsibility. Now for Yuman they both are equal. Yuman didn't know what happened in the past. So whatever he will tell the right decision. It means both parties are same for him. So what Yuman told to Sanju कि you should pay to Algu. Why you should pay to Algu? Because when you have taken that ox from Algu, that time ox was very well. It is because of you that you didn't take care of that ox. That's why ox became very big. Now, when he told the decision, Algu was very happy. Why Algu was very happy? Because he was thinking that human will take a decision of his side, but he has taken my side. It means he was very happy. Now when he was very happy, they both met to each other, they hugged to each other. Again they were very good friends. Now when all were looking this matter, so whatever they saw there, okay, now they both are good friends. So now they all spoke what victory to Panch Parmeshwar, victory to Panch Parmeshwar. Now beta we know what is Panch Parmeshwar. Panch Parmeshwar means the panchayat. Panch Parmeshwar means the words of the God where we can't take wrong decision. And victory means where we can take only the right decision. It means whatever decision we will take, that will be the correct judgment, that will be the correct decision. Okay beta, now you understood the full story. Now the title is very clear to you कि why its name is the Holy Panchayat. Now you know what is the Holy Panchayat. Okay, so now which message we got from this story? कि Algu and human, when their turn was there, they have given the right decision. Like in first part, whose turn was there? Algu's turn was there. That time Algu has given correct judgment. He has given a right decision. But in second part, human's turn was there. So he has also given a right decision. It means now, but we got from the story, if we are seated as a panchayat, then we should give a right decision. We will not see who is my friend, to whom I didn't know. It means always we should give a right decision. Okay beta, many other messages also we got from this story. Like there are two characters, one is human and one is ant. We have seen a human started amusing to ant when he has taken property of ant. It means this is not good. So which message we got? We should always respect our elders. We should respect our elders, and he should also respect of aunt, because aunt was very old. And one more message we got, see Sanju, he ill-treated the ox, that's why ox fell down. So now which message we got? We should not ill-treat the animals. We should love animals because they are also living. Hanji beta, and one more, see human and Algu. In the starting also they were friends. At the end also they were friends. But what happened in the between? During their misunderstanding, they has broken their friendship. It means they didn't believe on each other. So in friendship, we should believe on each other. Then our friendship will never break. So this message also we got, like you all are having friends. So you should believe on your friend. Always whatever your friend will say, he will be right for you. Okay, so beta, this was very interesting story. I think you all have enjoyed this story. Okay, bye.